How to sell a used forklift. When it comes to selling a used forklift, there are a number of key factors one should cover in an advert listing and product description. Most importantly, make sure to provide the potential buyer with as much information as possible about the forklift you want to sell. Try cover the following points in your description. Explain why the forklift is being sold. Give a detailed summary of its maintenance history. Disclose its accident history, or if it might have suffered any previous damage besides the basic cosmetic damage. Inform the buyer about any of the machine's parts that might need replacing. Confirm that the forklift is in working condition and can drive as required in all directions. Also provide details on the MAST mechanics, forks, chains, and hoses. Describe the tires and tread. Provide details about the overhead guard. List the engine spec and detail its hours of operation. Covering these points in your adverts will go a long way in making sure you're a trusted seller. Giving potential buyers as much information as possible can go a long way in making sure your listing stands out from the rest. Sell your trucks, machinery, and equipment on Truck and Trailer, South Africa's leading commercial marketplace for trucks, machinery, and equipment.